Well, hey guys, I'm on the Carnival Jubilee and we're docked in Roatan, Honduras, or some people call it Isla Tropicale, which that's going to be its name sooner or later. But hey, we're going to get off and take a look at this little port, so hey, come join me. Well, we're towards the front of the ship where we got off. Look at that. There's the lifeboats up above us. Just shot of the clear water. There's looking back at the ship. Little shot. Well, they always got to funnel you through a store on the way in, hoping you'll buy something duty free. Well, you still got the Mahogany Bay, I should say, sign. But you want to get our picture made?
Roatán.
That's a pretty walk into port. There's a sign. Port looks like. Always the Diamonds International, every port I go to. If you want to go to the beach, you turn right. I'll point the camera down there. That takes you down to the beach. And they also have you can walk, it's a pretty walk, or they've got a chairlift. Port's real clean. Always got a Piranha Joe's in every port. This was no exception. Crazy Eyes Gelato. Trying to do a circle where we come from. There's the ship. See the boat roller coaster up on top and the water slides. Yeah, there says Craft Market. We'll go up in there. That's like they got a lot of different vendors up in there. There's the, if you want a cigar, there's the Honduras cigar factory. Well, there's a pharmacy. You can actually buy stuff here, a pharmacy store, medical supplies. can get you like a coconut water. Honestly, I've tried them before. I wasn't real impressed, but some people like them. Where we came in right up there, but I'll give you a kind of a 360. Ooh, a little wind blowing. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little port walking tour here in Mahogany Bay, Roatan, Honduras. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.